getting started. So this is what my room typically looks like at the end of a school quarter. It's really messy. That's because I can't be bothered to clean when I'm busy doing homework or studying. So I'm taking this break as just an opportunity to just redecorate and freshen things up a little bit. Redecorating for me typically just means rearranging everything that I already have. I don't really like going out and buying new things, but in this case, you'll see me actually just make a few new pictures. So this mirror I had put up on my wall actually fell off my wall a few months ago because I had only one command hook at the bottom and it couldn't withhold all that weight. So I added 2 more command hooks. Hopefully this will keep the mirror stuck on the wall better than having just one command hook. Now I'm just taking all the pictures off of my walls. I actually made most of these, except for the breakfast postcards. I got those a while back in China. I changed my bed sheets from the old ones to this yellow one right here, and this bear over here is from Miniso. I tend to make most of my paper decorations myself because I get more control over them and it's free in my case. This over here is a calendar I made for March and April. Not sure if I'll make one for May yet. I saw this picture online where somebody had tied 3 dried flower bouquets together and I really liked the way it looked, so I decided to try it out myself. I liked the way that my final product came out, but my problem was I couldn't actually figure out where I wanted to put it. So yeah, in the end I decided to just put it kind of somewhere random. You'll see later where I put it, but I didn't want my efforts to have gone to waste, so it was better for me to just hang it up somewhere than to not. Okay, so whenever I'm making posters for my room, I like to use different types of paper so that will vary with the color, the size, maybe even how see-through it is. I like using paper I already have on hand so I don't have to go out and buy more. I like drawing most of my posters over printing them because I'd rather save that printer ink for something a little bit more important. I also use different mediums like colored pencils, watercolors, or oil pastels just to mix things up a little bit. I also like warmer colors like yellows and oranges. I'm not exactly an artist, so I just draw well enough, I guess, so that I would be satisfied. I dug this box of oil pastels I've had since I was in elementary school out of my closet. It's really old, but it has a lot of really nice warmer colors, and I also like playing with the different textures. I actually wasn't super satisfied with the way that this particular piece came out because of the weird looking flowers, but I decided to keep it because I didn't want to waste those oil pastels and I like the colors. Okay, so here's the good corner of my desk, I'd say. You can see I put the calendar back there with dried carnation taped up top. And then on my lamp, I have a couple of charms. That hand I made, that charm is from my trip to Tokyo a few years back. And then I have this swan and necklace. I just hang like my dangly things on my lamp because I don't really have anywhere else to hang them, and it's working out fine for me. And over here is that drawing I made, and then up here is a round mirror that I got from Michael's for $12. I slathered paint all over it a while ago, and it was after I saw this Instagram post. And on the other side of the wall is the other drawing that I made, and down below you can see that I replaced those breakfast postcards because they're pretty cute. But the back of the card lists a website to cardlover.cn. So it's a Chinese website, so if you can read Chinese and figure out who the artist is, let me know too. And over here is the slightly uglier side of the desk. I just have a bunch of notebooks and a bottle with some dried flowers. It's resting on this IKEA desk drawer thing that I got a while ago, and I originally got it in black but spray painted it white. It's chipping, I know. Here are some of the washi tape that I use to hang up the pictures on my walls. They're all from MT. In this bag over here I have a bunch of clay pens I made a while ago with my friends, and as you can see I have a lot of washi tape. It's really bad because I don't even use all of them, but I guess I just collect them now. Almost all of the washi tape are from MT. I have some from Muji and some from artists. I also have some from a while ago that I bought on eBay but never really used. So yeah. Here's a look at that hand charm from earlier. I made this last year when I got really into hand sculpting for some reason, but I only made one. Some of my friends say it's really creepy, but you know, I think it's fine. Behind my desk is a corner full of knickknacks, and the mirror is from IKEA. Over here, I have an old Snapple bottle full of some dried flowers, and then down there, that wooden crate is from IKEA. Up above, we have our beautiful palette album, and then if I take that away, you can see an old bag that my mom used to carry. I really like the color. And then behind it are some old canvases. The smaller one actually has a painting on it, but it's ugly, so I'm not going to show you. Over here I have a very small stack of books. Over here is some surprise, more washi tape. They're from MT. This notebook full of Polaroids that I took using my Polaroid camera. That was a birthday present, a thingy for my Polaroid camera. And then this book over here I think is 100 years old. I bought it from Half Price Books because I really liked the cover. I actually haven't read it. Maybe I will. Over here is Pinocchio. I got this book from my neighbors when I was in elementary school. It's also really old, but I really like the cover too, so Lastly, we have Alice in Wonderland's Through the Looking Glass. I bought this from Half Price Books as well, and I've also read this book, so we have 2 out of 3 books. Here's a plant stitch thing that again I made a while ago. Up here is a Polaroid camera that I got as a birthday present from my friends. Thank you! The plate and pot for the Monstera Deliciosa plant is from Daiso, and then the plant itself I got from Amazon. Back there you can see my toner bottle, and then over here is this scent thing. Up here is another dried flower bouquet that I made, again, a really long time ago. I just wrapped it in some paper. If we look right next to the corner where I just showed you is my closet, and then above that is where I actually decided to put my dried flower bouquet garland thing. On my nightstand, I have a wooden tray with this alarm clock that I don't really use, so I just set it to 8 o'clock because I like the number 8. This music box thing that I got as a birthday present, and then just a few watches that I don't really wear that often. Next to it, I have this little mushroom light that I got from IKEA. So most of the things in my room are from IKEA. Above my bed is a postcard that I made using watercolors. It's just a painting of a mountainside from when I took a hike. Next to it is this yearly calendar I think I made in 2018, but I really like it, so I'm keeping it. And then above that is a lemon poster that I stole from my sister. I believe she printed it off of Google, so look up vintage lemon poster and you should be able to find the exact image. And then lastly, I have my pothos plant. It's grown out a lot since my last video. I'm thinking of cutting it and propagating another pothos plant. And then this cloth thing I also got from my sister. And then bed sheets are from IKEA again. And this cute little bear is from Miniso. It's very soft. I think it was only $20, so I say it's a pretty good deal. So bright, so